Unboxing and setting up your Miele CM7 CoffeeSelect is simple and straightforward.
Your Miele CM7 coffee machine comes pre-assembled out of the box. You will need to remove the protective plastic and place the drip tray cover in place. Also, remove any paperwork that may be inside the water reservoir and wash the water reservoir with a mild dish soap before use. Once clean, you can fill with cold tap water to the max line and place the water reservoir in the machine. Also, fill the bean container with your choice of beans. The CM7 CoffeeSelect allows for you to add up to 3 different bean varieties. For example, you may want decaf in one and espresso beans in the other. Simply add your preferred bean to each container. Now, plug in your machine and we'll navigate the initial menu setup. Select your language and then select OK. Next, select your location. Next, your machine may prompt you to connect to the Miele at-home app. It's a very intuitive process, so we're going to skip this step for now. Your next prompt will ask you to set your water hardness level. This step helps your machine identify how often descaling is necessary. You can use a water test strip or search for your local municipality online to best determine your water hardness. Okay, your machine is now set up and ready for use. Now, you're ready to make a delicious coffee beverage. You can make a quick selection using a button on the main screen, or use the arrow to scroll to the right to see the full drink menu. The Miele CM7 machines also come with a milk flask and milk siphon, so you can enjoy delicious milk-based beverages. To use milk with your beverage, simply connect the milk pipework to the central spout and ensure the other end is securely connected to your milk flask. You can also use ground coffee by accessing the coffee scoop located on the right side of the machine. Turn the handle to the left to unlock and remove the scoop. Fill the scoop with the ground coffee and lock the scoop back into the machine. Once you close the door, the machine will prompt you to select to use the ground coffee. Another highlighted feature on the CM7 machine is the integrated cup warmer. To turn on your cup warmer, navigate to the main menu and scroll to select Settings. Then scroll through the options and select Cup Heating. Next, select On. Your machine will alert you that this function uses more energy. To continue, simply select OK.
Miele coffee machines are designed to adapt to your personal tastes. With custom profiles, you can fine-tune every detail to create a cup that's made just for you.
So to begin, navigate your menu by using the left arrow and select Edit. For this instance, we're going to select Change Drink. You can scroll through the menu to select your drink, but for this example, I'm going to choose coffee. Next, we'll want to define our parameters before adjusting the portion, since it's going to be making the beverage as we adjust portion size. So for now, we'll select Drink Parameters. We'll begin by adjusting the amount of coffee. This adjusts how much coffee is ground for the beverage. The greater amount, the bolder the coffee. If you feel your beverage is too strong or bitter, then decrease the amount of coffee. Just the opposite, if you feel your coffee is lacking body, you can increase the amount of coffee used. In this case, I'll leave it right where it is and choose OK. You typically adjust your brew temperature based on the beans you're using. If your coffee is coming out bitter, the brewing temperature may be too high. Keep in mind, coffee beans typically prefer a lower temp, while espresso beans are typically brewed at higher temperatures. I'm going to leave my setting on medium and hit OK. You can also use the pre-brewing function to adjust your flavor profile. Pre-brewing simply moistens the ground coffee with hot water prior to being brewed. The longer the pre-brew, the higher the amount of caffeine and more intense coffee taste. In this instance, I'll select a short pre-brew time and select OK. Finally, let's determine which bean container we want the machine to use for this particular beverage. I'll choose container C and select OK. Now the machine will make your coffee based on these set parameters. Now, let's define the portion size. Ensure you have the proper cup under the spout and choose portion size. Once the beverage begins dispensing and reaches the amount you'd like dispensed, you can select Save. Now the parameters and portions are saved and will be replicated every time I select coffee. There's one other critical component that's adjustable manually, and that's your grinder settings. To adjust the grinder, open the appliance door and push the slide control for the desired grind. Slide to the left for finer grinding and to the right for coarser grinding. It's also important to only adjust the grinder one setting at a time.
Consider yourself an at-home barista and spend some time sampling and trying different settings until you land on the perfect profile for you.
Now, let me show you how to save your own personal profile for a beverage that's made just for you. On the bottom right of your screen, you'll select Profiles. We'll then select Create Profile, and now we can name it. In this instance, I'm going to name this profile Dad and select Save. Now we'll want to create Dad's first drink by selecting Create Drink. Now we'll select the beverage that we'd like to edit. In this case, I'll choose espresso. And this time, it's only going to change my preset parameters when an espresso is made if you select the espresso from Dad's profile. Just like in the previous steps, you'll then adjust the parameters to your liking. Ensure you have the proper cup under the spout and choose OK. Your drink will automatically begin dispensing, and you'll need to hit Save once your desired amount is dispensed. Finally, since you can save up to 10 beverages under one profile, you'll need to name this specific beverage, so we'll name it Dad 1. Hit Save, and Dad 1 will now become one of the drinks under Dad's profile. Another option for customizing your coffee beverages is using Expert Mode. Let's say you're wanting a smaller or larger beverage. Expert Mode allows you to customize the amount dispensed for a beverage without having to change your previously dialed-in presets. In Expert Mode, your adjustments are only used for the drink being made at that time and will not be saved. To activate Expert Mode, simply navigate to the main menu and scroll to select Settings. Then scroll and select Expert Mode and turn the setting to On and hit OK. Then navigate back to the drink menu and make your beverage selection. In this example, I'm going to make a coffee. As the coffee is being dispensed, the white arrow on the screen indicates the preset amount to be dispensed. If you'd like to adjust that amount, simply slide the line on your machine to your desired amount. Your Miele CM7 is also capable of dispensing 2 beverages at one time by using the One Touch for 2 button. Simply press the One Touch for 2 button, then ensure you have the proper glassware in place, and select the beverage you'd like to make. Your machine will then dispense 2 of the same beverages simultaneously. You also have the option to make your beverages a double shot. A double shot is actually not doubling the volume. Rather, it adds strength and boldness to your beverage by adding more coffee grounds partially through the brewing process. Simply select Double Shot on the menu while the preparation of your beverage is in the grinding process.
I believe that with proper care and maintenance, your Miele coffee machine will continue to deliver exceptional coffee beverages in your home for years to come. If you need any additional support with your Miele coffee machine, please contact our Miele customer support.